I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission.
Good morning, viewers.
Hello there.
What are we doing?
Taking a video.
I know that, but what are we doing today? What are we doing right now?
What are we going to do?
6 at 5:30 in the morning. We have not slept at all.
No sleep for us.
No sleep.
We got to go wake bitches up. We're on a mission.
Wake up, bitches.
I don't know where they are, but they said they're by a fence. A white fence. Well, here are the white fences.
I hope we find them
Me too.
and that they didn't lie to us, because I think that we'd be pretty pissed.
Pretty pissed.
Pretty pissed.
Pretty pissed. Follow the white fences.
They would make horrible husbands.
Are you serious?
Should we just lay on them?
Let's go this way. This is gonna work. How is this possible? Hey you, wake up. Hey you. No, you're not. You guys are fucking out. Look at this bitch. Baby. 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 Wake up. No, you're not. Hey, fatty. Wake up. You're on camera. Yeah, you are. We've been videotaping for the past 5 minutes. Hey. These niggas are fucking out. Let's go back. I'm getting it in. Open your eye. You're such a lazy fuck. These niggas are lazy. Come on, let's do that. Have fun with your sleep. Bye-bye. Well, that was not exhilarating as I hoped it to be.
Nope.
These fucking niggas, look at them. Ricola! Ricola! Nothing? Nothing? Really? Okay.